Today I was trying to see because I haven't, since I bought it, I never heard the compressor turn on. Yeah. I took this damn thing, the cover, and it's held on by 3 bolts. You got these star ones, but I took it out with a flathead, and then you got this 10 millimeter. Yeah, it's got one right there, and the other one's right there. So you got various clips over here. I said the one in the middle, that's the one right there. But yeah, there's a mouse nest here, so I think that might be my issue. I'm gonna have to clean it out and check the wiring. Yeah, but damn mouse nest, probably messed it up. Yeah, I'll put a update video, see what happens, see what I find. But yeah, damn mice. Every car I've had, I always find a damn mouse nest. Alrighty. Yeah, as I knew it, they chewed through some of these cables for the pump, so it might be shorted out. I'm not sure. I might have to inspect it a little bit more. But yeah, big nest. So hopefully none of them were in here. I might have a mice problem pretty soon. Everything else looks good, just and one little, well, the main wires. Everything else looks good. Yeah, just the main power. Yeah, the main power is and the negative are peeled, and I think they were touching or arcing. I think that's why it doesn't turn on. So I'm gonna wrap them up and see what happens. Yeah, but I knew it. That mice nest, that was the problem with my LR3. And like I said, once I cleaned it up, there was a lot of debris in there. I don't know where they took it from. I gotta take everything apart. It looks like it might be like sound deadener and some more stuff. I don't know. Like, I gotta inspect it more thoroughly. But like I said, I cleaned it up. 2 of the wires, the negative and the positive, they go to the compressor. They were chewed on, and they were, they were arcing each other. That's why it wasn't working. So I was afraid that they might have been, burned out, but I didn't smell nothing. So I cleaned it up. And then put some electrical wire and a couple zip ties, and connected it and started it right up. Yeah, that thing turned on real quick. And yeah, like the car, the little truck, it leveled out. It's a regular ride height, as you can see. Cause it was in the front, it was on the bump stops, and in the back it was okay for some reason. But yeah, yep, got some cushion to it. Yeah, it's got more issues. I think they dropped some. I think it's coffee. They dropped some coffee in the middle. In the console where the shifter's at, with the different range selections, and to lower and put the ride height up. Yeah, it's shorted out. It's got all kinds of faults, so I might have to replace that or take it off and inspect it more. But yeah, that was one issue. So I got air in my air suspension. Yep, thanks for watching.